What about a more open access to scientific discovery, to the results of the scientific research?
Yeah, so I think it's an important thing. So that's because societies are funding this research, so we should open this. And then, of course, we should not. Of course, much of our science is funded by national funds, but nations are part of them. The lots of things like from European Union, and then we are of the parts of the whole world. So I think we should really open our results, so to use open access as much as possible, and also try to open these results of new scientific tools. And there's also lots of, I think, good approaches try to get the scientific databases to be publicly available. But that also has ethics and privacy issues, because then if you have data that are collected from subjects, human subjects, so of course they can't be spread as such without somehow anonymizing them and then trying to also take all the privacy information away from them. But they certainly, I think it certainly we should go to that direction and then combine forces. So that's, I should have mentioned this already earlier, because that's very important to try to combine databases.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So last question. So as I was explaining to you, Futurium is a platform in which the scientists have the possibility to present their ideas in order to stimulate debate, to foster debate on the topics they are interested in and they are expert in. And do you think that this kind of participative approach and initiatives can be useful in order to try to shape the political agenda of the European institutions?
Yeah, I certainly think that this is a good thing that I recommend and welcome this warmly. That's why I participated, accepted your invitation. Yeah, and just the reason is that I feel very strongly that we scientists are privileged to do very interesting work, but we are funded by a society, and we should then report back to people what we're doing, and then also